subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Mobvoi could be releasing its latest smartwatch, the Ticwatch Pro 3 Ultra, anytime soon. An Italian tipster has released a YouTube video of the yet-to-be-released smartwatch, showing some of its features and functionalities. Ticwatch Pro 3 GPS was what could be seen on the YouTube video, and it is unclear whether there is a separate model for a particular region. Ticwatch Pro 3 GPS will be powered by the Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus chip, which is a better choice in terms of efficiency compared to the base Snapdragon Wear 4100 chip. The new Go processor uses less power even when the display is set at always on. Little details were provided about the smartwatch by the presenter, although some differences could be seen from the retail box. A slightly different appearance in the slimmer bezel and less angular appearance highlight some of the differences between the new smartwatch and its predecessor, the Ticwatch Pro 3. Mobvoi updated its details about the listing of the product by stating that it is powered by the updated Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus. Mobvoi changes in its Amazon store also included the Ticwatch E3. Interestingly, Fossil's Gen 6 smartwatches are also powered by the Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus platform. Little is known at this time on the number of variants of the Pro 3 GPS Ultra that will be released ultimately. We also do not know the pricing details yet of the smartwatch. Mobvoi is yet to make any public statement relating to the Ticwatch Pro 3 GPS Ultra at this time. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.